Good morning, student. Today to continue with our topic forms of business organization. Yesterday we discussed about promotion. Now today we'll discuss about various stages of promotion of a company. Now, first of all, promotion is the first stage in the formation of a company. It involves conceiving a business opportunity and taking an initiative to form a company. Exploiting the available business opportunity, a promoter is said to be the one who undertakes to form a company with reference to a given project and to set it going, and who takes the necessary steps to accomplish the purpose. Now, discovering a new idea. First of all, because ideas are there in the environment, only you have to grab an idea from the environment. The promotion of a business starts with the discovery of new idea. The new idea can come into mind by observing the deficiency of some product or service in the market. Sometimes the deficiency of a product is there, so you have to see whether some deficiency is there, and you have to take the lead. New idea can be discovered from professional inventors, trade associations, government bureaus, journals, then brainstorming, etc. Through a preliminary search, it can be found whether a business can be run successfully or not. Now, detailed investigation. After discovering an idea, you have to investigate. A detailed investigation is carried out to find out the actual position. During this process, information is collected about the demand of the product, availability of raw materials, cost of raw materials, need of machinery, competition, region where you want to sell a product, expected selling price, the expected profit, government policy about the business availability about the product, then availability of labor, estimation of capital required, various sources of finance, size of business, place of business, etc. are done. A detailed investigation is done before promoting a business. Now, a report is prepared after thorough scrutiny about all the facts. The report is known as project report. The project report helps the promoters in getting licenses and finance from the government. And if the decision is taken in favor of the new idea, then further proceedings are undertaken. Now, after that, we have to assemble the resources, that is organizing. We have to assemble the factors of production, land, labor, capital. We have to assemble them. After satisfying himself with the possibility of success of a business being established on the basis of new idea, the promoter start assembling the different factors. For this, he has to contact various persons, specialists and organizations, and after doing so, he enters into contact with them. Now, next is you are financing the proposal. This is last, financing the proposal. After everything is done, then only you have to look for finance. At this stage, financial planning is done, that is total amount of capital required and the various sources of capital, time of collecting money, etc. If capital is collected by issuing shares or debentures, then the types of shares, whether they are preference share or equity shares, and debentures are determined. There are various types of debentures. This we'll learn later in the coming chapter. Contract is signed with the bank and underwriters. In case of public limited company, the legal formalities related with the issue of capital are completed. After making the arrangement for capital, and business becomes operational. So this is the last step in the promotion stage. Thank you.